Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rizat Graphics. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create this stylish metal logo animation in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects, then create a new composition. I'm calling it Metal Logo Reveal. As usual, I'm using the same resolution and frame rate. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Let's import the necessary files for this project. Select the files and click Import. Drag and drop the logo into the main composition. Reduce the logo scale if required. Right-click the logo layer, then choose Pre-compose. Name it Logo Comp or any name you prefer. Duplicate the logo layer. Again right-click on it, then choose Pre-compose. Name it to Blob. Double-click on the blob composition. Select the logo comp. Go to Effects and Presets. Search and apply the fill effect on it. Change the fill color to white. Return to the main composition. Select the logo comp, and duplicate it. Hide the duplicated layer for now. Go to the project section, then drag and drop the metal image into the composition. Now, hide the metal image and the blob composition. Click here to create a new composition. I'll name it Light Sweep. Right-click on the empty space, and create a solid layer. Name it Light Sweep or any name you prefer. Keep the Light Sweep layer selected, go to Effects and Presets. Search and apply the 𝗧𝘂𝘁𝗁𝗍 Light Sweep effect on it. First of all, change the light direction to 0 degrees. Drag this small circle to adjust the light's position. Move your time cursor to 10 frames. Then add a keyframe on center. Move your time cursor to 4 seconds. Then drag this small circle to change the light sweep position. Let's adjust some settings. Change the shape to smooth. Set the width to 60. Set the sweep intensity value to 52. Edge intensity value to 0. Also, edge thickness value to 0. Duplicate the light sweep layer. Press U to reveal all keyframes. Select both keyframes and move them to the first frame. Drag the second keyframe to the 3 seconds. Change the width value to 100. Change the sweep intensity value to 29. Select the bottom light sweep layer and duplicate it. Drag it just above all layers. Move the duplicated layer to start at 2 seconds. Change the width value to 200. Change the sweep intensity value to 50. Select all light sweep layers. Change the layer blending mode from normal to add. Let's preview our light sweep animation. Cool. It looks perfect to me. Go back to the main composition. Drag and drop the light sweep composition just below the logo comp. Click this Toggle Switches Mode button to view the additional options. Go to Track Matte, and choose Alpha Matte. Let's preview it again. Cool. Let's apply some effects on it. Move your time cursor to the point where our logo becomes visible. Keep the light sweep composition selected. Go to Effects and Presets. Search and apply the 𝗧𝘂𝘁𝗁𝗍 effect on it. Go under the surface. Change the bump map to metal image. Change the property to luminance. Change the softness to 2.2. And change the height value to 50. Now, search and apply the 𝗧𝘂𝘁𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀 effect on it. Go under the blobbiness, change the blob layer to blob. Change the property to alpha. Change the softness value to 5. Change the cutaway value to 60. Go under the shading. Change the ambient value to 102. And diffuse value to 50. Now, search and apply the curves effect on it. Slightly change the curve like this. Finally, search and apply the tint effect on it. Change the white color to light blue. The color code is BFD8EB. Right-click on the empty space and create an adjustment layer. Search and apply the sharpen effect on the adjustment layer. Change the sharpen value to 8. Now, search and apply the noise effect on the adjustment layer. Change the amount of noise to 2.2. Also uncheck the Use Color Noise option. Finally, search and apply the curves effect on it. Then change the curves to something like this. Let's see the preview. Looks amazing. Our metal logo is almost ready. Let me show you how to restore the original logo colors. So, follow the next and final step. Let's unhide the logo layer that we hid earlier. Move your time cursor to 3 seconds. Right-click on the logo comp. Go to Effects. Then Transition, and choose Linear Wipe. First of all, change the wipe angle to -90. Change the transition completion value to 100%. Then add a keyframe. Move your time cursor to 5 seconds and 6 frames. Change transition completion value back to 0%. Also change the feather amount to 150. Let's check out the final output. Outstanding. I'm really pleased with the end result. Our metal logo animation is ready. I hope you've learned a lot from this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Rizat Graphics for more tutorials. Your support motivates me to create more content. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace.